Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to change the text size on your iPhone. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, we need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Just find the icon that looks like gears and tap on it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Display and Brightness and tap on that. Okay, now look for the option that says Text Size and tap on it. Great. You should now see a slider at the bottom of the screen. By default, it's usually set in the middle. If you want to make the text smaller, simply slide the slider to the left. You'll see the text above the slider change in real time. And if you want to make the text larger, just slide the slider to the right. Again, the text above will adjust to show you how it will look. Once you've found the perfect text size, you can go back to the previous screen. You'll notice that all the text on your iPhone, including in apps and menus, has changed size. And that's it.
Super easy, right?
If this video was helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.